Sorry, I'll stop being weird. Yeah, it's too early. Well, in the morning for some people, for me to be this weird. But yeah, good morning everybody. Well, good morning / afternoon, depending on where you're at. And I hope it's a goodie. So we started off with a win. I was indeed a little bit yelled at because I didn't put the correct amount of contracts again. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we can get correct amount of contracts starting now. New York hopefully is going to give some goodies. I see there's news at 10. I didn't see news earlier, so this must Supreme Court opinion on tariffs. Oh. Okay, high impact. I have yet to see one little piece of news thingy that has not said high impact, just saying. So I'm not even surprised at this point. Not even a teeny tiny little bit surprised, but let's do this. Let's proceed. Okay. Things are now up and running as they should be. I have not marked out anything. Ooh. Okay, here's London High, but just BT dubs. And there might be some arguments against that one, but London High, cool, and London Low. I was actually in on this trade. Oh well. Oh well. Point of interest could actually still be. There we go. OTT, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? I was getting a little bit lonely there for a minute. $2 a.m. is London High. That... Okay. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Anyways, yeah, you should be. I've been here all alone. Where the heck is everyone? Damn, everyone's being so quiet. How weird. But anyway. Hey, Javar. Well, I mean, I've only hopped on now probably around 2 hours. Yeah? So hi, by the way. Hey, Sully. Let's spam people again. Let's just do this. And then they're going to probably click the end call button. There we go. Okay, done. the 445 is London Low. Yes, I got that. No? 450. Wouldn't 450 be London Low? Hey Frank, what's up? How's it going? Let's go. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Okay. Okay, well then everything's kind of marked up. And now we wait? No, maybe we wait is the wrong thing to say. But we are ready for action. So I see we did kind of change. Do we think we're gonna go back to being... Wait. Sorry, I'm curious about something. If we take this full range, sorry, let me zoom out slightly. If we take this full range from the tippy top here, actually, let's go from here down. Okay, it's tapped into the 50% there and here. Interesting. Do we think this is gonna continue to the bearish side now this afternoon, or do we think it's gonna start popping back up? Thoughts? I do see there's news at 10. It says high impact. Anyways. So I'm on the 50. Oh, got it. Cold and still bearish. Nice. Hey, Freedom Dean, what's up? What stock will make us rich today? Well, I mean, Nasdaq is a bit of a diva, so, you know, that one's a little bit of a 50-50, but I've heard silver has just been running away recently. I've heard silver and gold have not been bad. Apparently they're also a little bit scary to trade. NQ should take London low. Interesting. Hello, Rocksean, what's up? How's it going? Raphael, hi! How are you? It has been a while. Fun fact, mark the Asia high and London low. That would be the dealing range high and dealing range low. But I did. Here's Asia. Oh, there we go. Yeah, here's Asia high, and there's London low. Oh damn, okay, so it just tapped into the 50% of that. Okay, I'm curious to see where we end up going after this. Sorry, okay, I got distracted. It's called DRT. Hey Lilish, what's up? But anyways, ignore that. Are you watching an item? The Seven Kingdoms? I'm not Lilish, sorry. Like I said, I've actually low-key been binge watching Big Bang Theory for like the millionth time. Just FYI, I'm sorry. I feel like I need to show you guys something. Just for everyone that says go back into the kitchen or go make me a sandwich or whatever the case may be. I don't know. Can you see my wrist? Yeah, do you see this? This is what happens when a boiling hot pan and a clumsy human being work together. It just does not work. So yeah, just saying, next time you guys go cook, it is life-threatening for me, so no. I will any day take my chances with the charts because screw that. Kitchen, dangerous. I have once accidentally, don't ask me how. Please don't ask me how. I have once accidentally... That was rude. Wow, that was real rude. Wow, okay. Anyways. What I was saying is I have once accidentally like stabbed myself in the stomach with a knife while in the kitchen. So me and the kitchen are actually just not okay together. We just don't work well together. I'm fine with it. I've accepted it. I think you guys need to accept it too. Now, if you find 50% level and prices below, you're in discount, and if you're looking for longs, that's when it's ideal premium. OTT, interesting, okay. Stick to trading, kitchen life. I agree. If anyone ever says go back into the kitchen, I'll just show them that and be like, no. Like, it's actually, like, I want to say bubbled, but I know that's not the right word. What is it? Blistered. There we go, that's it. But that sounds gross, so let's maybe rather call it bubbled, because bubbled sounds cute. It's just bubbled, guys. Don't worry. It's just bubbly like my personality. Oh my god, we're getting weirder every day. Okay, it's fine. Put the side of my thumb off. No, Solly, you lie. You lie. You did not do that. You did not do that. No, I call BS. There's not a chance that you managed to do that, Solly. I feel like we need evidence. I feel like you need to show us the evidence of your missing part of your thumb on Discord. Cause nah. Didn't catch anything? Aw. Look, to be fair, Solly, so hear me out. So someone said something very interesting the other day, and I thought, you know, I hadn't really thought of it that way. It's the same with sharks don't like the taste of human blood. Why are we playing sad music? Damn. Hey, Goshenbag, what's up? Oh, that's why we're playing sad music. Never, I actually can't top that. I'm gonna stop. I was gonna give a fun fact, but I can't top what OTT just said to you, so I'm gonna be quiet. That was so rough. OTT, what the heck, man? Okay, we have 5 minutes to go until open. Let's get our votes in. What do we think it's gonna be? Is open going to be bearish or bullish candle? Bearish or bullish? Bear and bull. Sorry, I'm aware that I'm getting weirder with every single stream. Surely you guys are used to it by now. You would assume, but you know what? At least you have fun here. Okay, get your. Ooh, okay. So we have bull 100% there. Get your. What's up? How's it going? They like humans, not damn. 4 shark attacks in the last 48 hours. What the heck? Solly, that's not okay. Oh, this is interesting. We have some conflicting views here. Okay, the bears are winning 100% on the vertical. Bulls are winning 100% on the horizontal. Dun dun dun. Gotchenberg, what's the goal today? To end in the green. That's it. That's my goal every single day. Just green, green, green. That's about it. It's the little things in life. Anyways, I was looking at this now and I was like, oh damn, this looked like such a nice trade. But alas, it's nearly opening. We have 3 minutes to go until opening. Sugar honey iced tea. I don't know. I don't trust just before market opens. Does anyone trade that? Like just before? I mean, this is 3 minutes before market opens. Does anyone actually trade that? Sorry, I know I'm talking a lot. Trend in NQ sells, estimating no 4-hour lower weapon because we're in a downtrend. Interesting, Michelle. Hi. I think I said hi. If I didn't, I apologize. Oh, I did say hi. I'm so sorry. I'm good. If you do the maths on that, it's more likely we're experiencing an apocalypse. It's valid. I feel like we're overdue for one anyway, so that makes sense. Anyways, the sharks is like. I mean, OTT, you have a point. Oh, here we go. And this is why I don't like to trade pre-market. It's a tad bit scary. Okay. Let's see now, 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 let's see now. 9:28, we have 2 minutes to go. How's it looking? Okay, no, bears are winning. Yeah, bears are winning. Okay, so everyone believes, well, okay, not everyone obviously, but majority believe that this is going to be a bearish opening candle. We do indeed have 2 minutes. I need to focus so that I actually watch when it happens. Moving on. With all the sharks. But that's not good. Last one they've been lifting to the shorts. Oh my gosh, Solly, that's hilarious. Also, that would be terrifying. I still have to go do the shark cage dive. They said Feb is a good time to go, so Feb is happening. Feb is gonna be a thing. Now that you've told me that fun fact about everyone and all the sharks in Australia. Anyways, moving on. To be fair though, Solly, hear me out. Hear me out. Sorry, I know this is a very random conversation for anyone that's just tuned in. So Solly's from Australia. Doesn't everything in Australia low-key want to kill you? No? Yes, maybe? Joy of travel? What's up? How you doing? Look at this. Oh my gosh. How is everybody? Oh damn. Okay, here we go. Here's opening. We had the winner was for, oh damn, a bearish opening candle. Whoa! So much for that fun thought. Okie dokie then. Huh. Well, that's definitely something. Supreme Court opinion at 10 a.m. I did see that, Bob. I did see that. And it says it's high impact. It's actually open. Oh, Aussies need a better, safer place to live. Oh, good grief. Whoa, okay. Don't know what I was expecting. I kind of agreed with the bearish opening candle, but apparently not. Apparently the bulls just took over there completely. Okay. So we have 9:30 a.m. candle. That was a biggie. Cool, cool, cool. There we go. Okay. Crazy stopped out in first red day in 2 weeks. Oh damn, Michelle, what the heck? Wait, when did you take an entry? Thanks for subscribing, Pizza on Duty. I love that. Sorry, that name is so cool. Shout out for the sub. Mad love. Check, we watched it go up. Let's see if we can get to 10,600 subs. That would be quite cool. Okay, so here's the 9:30. Let's add this text quick. Okay, this is the 9:30 range. Let's wait for the 5-minute, and then we need to wait for our first presented. Hey Dom, what's up? How goes it? How goes it? Okay, 9:30 a.m. That was very, very entertaining. Just saying. I agreed with you guys with regards to thinking this would be a bearish opening candle, but maybe not. You think this is a fake breakout and it's going up? What makes you say that? I mean, I guess. To be fair, the last day, I was gonna say the last few days, but anyways, the last day it kind of has been the situation of throughout the day it's been a little bit more bearish, and then 9:30, yeah, I guess 9:30 New York has been a little bit of a reversal. Let's see if it stays that way, and this literally went bob level to bob level again, just saying. Just for anyone that's keeping an eye out for that, this literally went bob to bob. It bobbed. Okay, sorry. I'll stop being... No! Screw that. I will never stop being weird. Let's embrace the weirdness. B2B, there we go. 2.5, 2.04 was my entry based on 1 hour and my setup on the 15th. Oh damn, Vishal. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see if this is going to be the first presented as well. Whoa. Cool, I don't think anyone was really expecting that, but anyway, there's London High gone. Gone bye-bye. Let's see if this becomes the first presented fair value gap. Gosh, and weird, yeah. B2B strat, 100% winner rate. OTT, if you know how to execute, and oh yeah. I mean, this one wouldn't have worked. That one would have been a little bit of a, well, I guess depends on how big your stop loss is, hey? Bob to bob, bob to bob, bob to bob. It's just if you were thinking that this was gonna be a bob to bob level, hey? Something I need to just backtest and see. Okay, we have first presented. Damn, this market's going cray cray. Okay. We haven't even... finished our 5-minute opening candle. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Wow. Do we think this could be going for Asia high? This kind of looks like it's going for Asia high. I'm getting a little FOMO. I need to take a walk. Hey, High Live. Wait, Solly, are you not trading? Why are you not trading? Huh. Anyways, so I'm curious about this. I'm not gonna take it just yet. Oh. Wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation. It also has not broken outside of the 5-minute yet. Okay. Yes, we go there, Asia level. Okay, Dom, so you believe this is gonna go up to Asia high at 25438.75. See, there would have been the tap in. How big is this? 37 points, about to hit BWAP. You're good. Okay. He's good. Hey, 2 more subs until 10,600. Whoop whoop. This did not quite respect the first presented as I thought it would. I mean, that being said, it hasn't broke the first presented either. Let's see, but we are literally still in the 5-minute range as well. Like I said, for those of you that have been here a while, you know I'm kind of forward testing this idea. Don't know if idea is the right word, but yeah, let's go with idea. Good grief. Okay, here's... this is huge. This is the 5-minute candle. Whoa. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Sugar honey iced tea. There we go. So here would have been potentially entry at the 0.5. Okay, so far this is 2 days. Whoopsies, I'm so sorry. 2 days where this could have worked. Maybe not. 930 might be accepting lower. Sorry, I'm aware that this looks super chaotic. If anyone needs me to explain what the heck is going on here, please just yell. I will happily explain the chaos. Happily explain all the chaos that's going on. Okay, not bad, not bad. The connection's still okay? Yeah? Everyone's just being awfully quiet. What's up, everybody? I'm not used to you guys being so quiet. Is everyone good? This didn't really break out of the 5-minute properly though, did it? Not as well as I would have liked it to have broken out of the 5-minute, but it's okay. We continue. No, Solly, it's ridiculous. Oh, you are. You're back. Solly, are you not trading? Said you're getting FOMO and you want to take a walk, so then it made me think that you're maybe not trading this. Sanity. I don't know if I want to place a trade until the 10. Well, no, that being said, let's see if a good trade presents itself. I will seize it. Oh, there goes the Wi-Fi. Cool. Is it good? Is it okay? There we go. Oh, for anyone that... Hey! 10,600 subs! Whoop whoop! That's exciting. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. For anyone that's new here or that's just hopped on...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Sorry, I think it's adorable. Just saying. But I am also weird, so it's okay. Yeah, I had a moment of weakness. I wanted to chase the open. Oh, damn, Solly. Okay, well, are you happy you didn't? I'm happy I didn't take this. That would have hit my stop loss. Would have given me like a little bit of hope here and then just wiped me out. That being said, like I said, it did not break above this 5-minute range. Was this just a fake out before it's going to continue to the bear side? Looks like it's about to start accepting lower prices. Don't do it. I wanted to maybe do this. I mean, that would be quite nice right there by VWAP for my full TP. But again, it's in this range. Okay, yep, nope. I'm gonna have to 140.5 minute. What? No ways. I didn't even check that. $114 points. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's ridiculous. Attention VWAP zone. Yep, I'm watching. Don't worry, Dom. I'm watching. The more you know, the better, right? So there potentially would have been a tap in. Like I said, I'm low-key forward testing. Wow, this is not looking great. Never mind. However, that being said, it hasn't broken above anything on the 5-minute range, so it would be risky to take anything. That's why I'm also hands off. I'm just kind of testing something. Entry, and I was thinking down to VWAP, so could maybe be good. Caution bag so often. Why? What a deep question to ask on a Tuesday. Definitely. I question quite a bit, quite often. Why? What's up, caution bag? Are you having that day? You saying I must be having that day. What did I do to make you think I'm having that day? Apart from probably just my face looking mortified about life. Yeah, and that got real dark real quick. I'm so sorry. Let's... Where's... Okay. So it's gonna go back down now. The thing is, the buyers on ES look like they want to take control. Maybe zoom into ES slightly. Yeah. The buyers on ES look like they want to start taking control. Yep, there we go. Okay, no, I think this is gonna have to be a hands-off until news situation, because nothing here looks like it would have been good. Yeah, damn. No, I'm joking. Why are you asking? What's up, Goshenberg? Is there a reason? Hey, Sketch, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? You good? You good? Just for you, Sketch.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Happy Tuesday. Hey, Sketch. High Life, there is news here at 10. There is Supreme Court opinion on tariffs. Yeah. Oh, shut up. Oh, just curious, no particular. Okay, that's valid. That's valid. Oh, thanks for the subscribe. I'm pretty sure that was very late, so I apologize. I'm pretty sure you actually joined earlier, but apologies. This thing's a little bit slow sometimes. It's a little bit like me. I have some slow days. On those days, you're just gonna have to grin and bear it. Not great. Sad. Okay, moving on. Oh, interesting. Seriously, Maya, use the correct range. Yes, I'm talking to myself. It happens quite often. Again, I know this looks very chaotic, so if anyone has any questions about what the heck is what, just let me know. You consolidate a little bit, Sketch, a little bit. This is kind of consolidating right now. I wonder if the markets are just waiting for news. We have 15 minutes to go until news, so let's see. Hey, NYM. I told you Uncle T is buying when retail shorting. There we go. There we go. Wait, is everyone having a great day? Just by the way, sorry, I didn't even ask. How's everyone doing? That's not news. It says it's high impact though. Highlight. So why did I not see your high earlier? Hey, High Life, I'm sorry. I only saw that now. What the heck? Yeah, even Bob said Supreme Court opinion at 10 a.m. What would you then call that though? Is it not news? But it might be high impact still? This normally only shows up when there's news. That little lightning bolt. Ka-chow. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I am getting weird. Okay. You're having a great day. That's amazing. So you're not questioning your life today. That's great. That's great. That's great. Why are you having such a great day, Gorshenback? What happened? Are the charts just all in your favor? May the charts be ever in your favor. This is tentative. Okay, what does that mean, High Life? I don't know what that means. I just saw that it said high impact. Weird is wonderful. Oh, thanks, Omzi. You're so sweet. I appreciate that. Heck yeah for the weirdness. We love weird. Weird for the win. How boring would life be if everyone was normal, right? So then why is it being so meh? Highlight, that was my reasoning for why this is being... Okay, that being said, I mean, this 5-minute opening range was 114 points, but now we're just kind of ranging in that 5-minute range, which is not great. Hey, Samira, what's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? New bed and mattress. I woke up feeling like a king panda. That is adorable. Okay, let's see, High Life. Let's see. Maybe it will work out at 10. Let's see. Ooh, Gorshenback. I don't think there's anything better than having a new bed and new mattress and you actually sleep like a human being. How weird. Aw, thanks, Amir. That's so sweet. I appreciate it. I can't see it on Forex Factory, Nuan, Investing Canada. That's weird, because, yeah, Bob mentioned it earlier as well. He mentioned that 10 a.m. was this. So I'm curious to see if it is indeed going to be something. Huh. Bob, are you still here? Bobby! Oh, Bob! Oh, Smith, what's the tattoo? His name is Sunny. He's a snail. I don't know if you can see him. No, that was terrible. He's Sunny the snail. And around him are peach blossoms. It's to do with home. The snail's to do with my mom. Yeah, so that's that tattoo. I mean, my whole back actually has, you can kind of see through the shirt, my whole back has tattoos as well. Yeah. I'm tatted. Sorry. That was very lame. I'm gonna stop talking again. Weird is one thing, lame is another thing. So let's zip it. Hey, Bob. Okay, Bob, where did you see... Okay, I see it here. Where did you see that there's this Supreme Court opinion happening at 10? Because High Life can't find it. So, NYM 25, 450 is what you're looking for. 450? Nice. Okay, so basically you think it's gonna go Asia high, above, just above Asia high. Well, actually between these two Asia highs. Why not aim for the moon? Why not go 470? Here we go. Gonna be popping out of this range now, maybe? Finally? Yes, no, maybe? Yes, no. Maybe. Okay, the buy volume is definitely stronger. Okay, I think this is gonna now be buys. Interesting, and we were all very keen for bears coming into the session. How many do I have? A few. I do indeed have a few. What's the main confirmations you look for before getting in a trade? Hey, Armsy, well, okay, so there's a few things. So I use a GAN box, and then I use some ICT and SMC confluences. I at least have to have 3 for it to be a decent trade, and my confluences are basically a protection for my stop loss, if you will. So it at least has to have either VWAP, fair value gap, a good point of interest, like maybe it's going for VWAP that's higher up but it's just retracing slightly. I've missed, oh, I call them shelves. I know there's actually a proper name for it, but I call them shelves. Would be another version of something that I use. Like there's a few things that go into it, just to give you an idea. So with this one, for example, I didn't take it because, well, it's a little bit all over the place, and also I think this would actually just be too big. Yeah, so this one actually, you can see it would have gone back, so my entry would be at the 0.5 level. Oh damn, it would have been a win. Look at that. If I'd used the correct range. Would have looked like so. So protecting this, I had VWAP, I had first presented fair value gap. I also had an order block right over here, so that's already like 3. And these, again, I call them shelves. These shelves. Sorry, I think there is a proper name. I call them shelves. Johnny, what's up? Have you thought about what those tattoos are going to look like in 25, 30 years? They're going to look so cool. Because sweet and simple. Also, I've seen like how do I put this? I want to say polite. Older generations with tattoos, they still look pretty cool, just saying. Thanks, Johnny. Long coming, yep. Why trade futures? Bushback, it's just what I started with. And it has the MNQ. So, micro for me, yes. I see that only on financial juice. Interesting. If it comes back to the initial fair value gap, watch for reaction. Anyway, interesting. Omzi, you are welcome. Sorry, I do tend to sometimes talk people's ear off, so I apologize if I maybe spewed on a little bit. Yes, I know spew is a very weird word to use there, but we're going with it. We're sticking with the weirdness today. Sitting there. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, now we have 6 minutes until this. Is it gonna be high impact? I'm not sure, but let's not do something dumb before potential news. I'm not gonna say it is news, but let's see. Oh, there we go. See, Solly. See, you can look a gangster. I plan on looking like a coloring book. So for me personally, I know like tattoos are a little bit controversial, but for me personally, I think if they have a meaning, even if they look a little bit old and tattered, or you know, just not great, if they don't look amazing anymore, as long as there was still meaning and you can say, oh, you know, I got this, and then you can have like a story behind it. Even if it doesn't look amazing anymore, it would still be pretty cool. So there, it would have tapped in. Nice. Okay, a decent rejection off of there. Not quite as much as I maybe would have wanted to see. How big is this range even? No, I clicked that like a chop. Damn, 31 points. Huh. If only you weren't there, I probably would have taken this. Watch me go from if only you weren't there to thank heavens you were there. Also, I would have taken this. knowing me. Anyways. I digress. We'll carry on. So, Geordie, was yesterday your first day trading or no? I first got something I thought it was so meaningful. And now? Wait, Geordie, you have a lot of do you have a lot of tattoos? See, every day I learn something new, even if it has absolutely nothing to do with, oh damn, even if it has nothing to do with the charts, I learned something new about you guys, and that's awesome. What the heck of it? To be fair, I really want to put a little, like a baby cow on my calf because it's a calf. How cute. Jordy, I didn't know you were like tatted up. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, what did I just say about me going, oh, thank heavens I didn't take it? Cool. Anyways. Come on, reject properly. Yeah, a little bit more like that. Nope, never mind. More. Oh. Still haven't taken any trade. Why? Are you just getting back into the swing of things? Is that all that's happening? Oh, we've said people were talking about tattoos. I lost a follow-up. Anyways. Yeah, I got half a sleeve and a few here and there. Nothing. Half a sleeve is pretty cool though, damn. I must say, the only thing with tattoos is they are so cool, but they're so expensive. Damn. Hey, Alwyn, what's up? How's it going? Here we go. Okay. 2 minutes to go until 10. Shoot. Now it goes and yep. Oh well, shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? This would help if I drew things properly. There we go. I did have valid reasoning for not taking it. We have 2 minutes until 10. I don't know if there's going to be a big reaction to this news or not. Let's see. The way it's kind of just going sideways right now is making me think that potentially we might. Hey, Elwood. I mean, I'm up $238 for the day, so yeah, I'm in the green. Give me a minute.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Oh my goodness gracious me, that's amazing. But yeah, we are indeed in the green and we're going. So this here is... Okay, come on. Whoa. Oh, it had a meltdown. Oh, it's having a meltdown. With the cash. Okay, here's 10. Sorry, did my whole thing have a moment? Apologies. Yep, it had a proper moment. I'm so sorry. What was... What just happened? I just heard a voice going, the markets are open. That was weird. Did anyone else hear that? So Dom, you think probably we touch Asia high and then strong down. Sorry, I'm still freaking out about whatever the heck that just was. No one else heard that, right? Am I going crazy? Today might be the day that the craziness takes over. Wow, okay. Okay, so yeah, that wasn't quite what I expected. Oh well. This did now take a bunch of the lows on ES though. Come on, get out of this range. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. But like, why is it talking to me? Why have I never heard it do that before? That was wild. I was like, oh my gosh, the voices are starting. The voices are starting. I'm too young to be hearing voices. Oh, where am I? Interesting. That was fun. That was a wild ride for me right there. Okay, moving on. It's fine. Is the Wi-Fi having... Okay, wait, there we go. I think the Wi-Fi is calming down. Is it okay? Hey, Owen. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? Why are you saying this? That's nice. I'm aware that the markets are open. Is it just because my Wi-Fi is having a freak out? Is that what's happening? I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. Okay, so that would not have worked at all. Cool. There we go. It should be calming down now. Is it calming down? There we go. There we go. I think it's calm now. Everybody calm. Okay, we good. Aw, I appreciate that. Burnabass. Sorry, hiccups. Anyways, moving on. Wow, this sucks. And London was so nice this morning. Do we think this is just gonna keep ranging? What even is this price action? Has anyone gotten a trade in? Oh my gosh, Jordy. That was rough. Whoa, anyways. OTT, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah. So, has anyone gotten a trade-in? Also, Jordy, I did ask, I don't think you responded. Are you waiting for something in particular before you get a trade-in for 2026? What's up? Are you waiting for Feb? I know a lot of people are waiting for Feb until they get some trades in. I don't know if maybe that's what's happening. Oh, Mr. Bale, you're short at 330. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. What are your first trade gonna be a full port for the plot? Oh! Please do it. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it. Come on. Come on. Come on, Jordy, for us. For the community. Full pot. Full pot. Full pot. It'll be so much fun. We'll all be there cheering you on. Oh, got it. Okay, so you're waiting for the refund. Then what you gonna do? I'm patiently waiting. At least they're giving a refund, right? I know it's frustrating. I can't believe they're closing, but like, at least you're getting a refund. Don't worry, I'm also patiently waiting to hear back from a prop firm that is very well known. But these are PA times and you know it, yep. When did they say you should be paid by, Geordie? I think maybe that's the next question. How long did they say that would take? Okay. We still doing this. Anyways, for anyone that's new, what up? How's it going? Wait, you haven't been paid this PNS. Do you wanted higher prices, but this is just not nice. Then I'm gonna buy a bunch of accounts and just press buttons. Like the proud DJ I am. Please do it. Please do it. Will you do that live? Because that'll be amazing. You can join me, but only from the 1st of Feb. From the 1st of Feb, I'm upgrading my Wi-Fi. You guys will be happy. You'll be super chuffed to know that I'm upgrading my Wi-Fi. So no more glitching out. Okay. Glitchy days are over. What that thing? Lost it in 2 trades. Hey Jude, what's up? Jude GT? Heyo. How goes it? What is this? Seriously. This is not okay. Okay, Mr. Bale, I know you're in a short, right? Is anyone else in a trade? Is everyone kind of hands off until this kind of decides what it wants to do with its life? No, shoot. That's like at the worst spot. There we go. It's kind of trapped in the 5-minute and 9:30 range. I mean, again, this 5-minute range was 114 points, which is insane, but still up. There we go. Now we're starting to drop again. Come on, let's get some decent momentum going. Let's get some trades in. Gotta wait for the proper price action though, but I'm hoping it happens. This happened during London. London also started a little bit iffy and then it just went. Whoa, London went like crazy. Question, does ICT work? Jude, again, ooh, careful, this is very controversial. In my opinion, every strategy works. It just depends on if it works for who you are as a person and if you understand how to execute it correctly. Does that make sense? So yes, ICT works. If it makes sense to you and if you were able to execute it at the correct time and correct levels. It's so annoying. Tell me why there's 1% rule. I can't be a teacher. What? OTT, that sucks. And the eval counts and then I get 20% reward split for what my master account, which is like 600. Okay, that's not bad, right? I think. Is that bad? Hey Thomas, what's up? How's it going? Yeah. So Jude, you know, at the end of the day, my belief is that any strategy could work if you have rules for the execution of said strategy. And if you stick to your rules and you only wait for the A+ setups. If you just see like everything and anything and you just go in but you're not getting all the facts, you know, or all your confirmations before you do it, then no, it's not gonna work. Sorry, just my 2 cents worth for whatever that's worth, but anyways. Mr. Bell, have I taken a trade? No, not yet. I'm waiting for this to stop being rangy because my strategy does not work when it's rangy like this. Unfortunately for moi. So I needed to... Well, that being said, I was about to say I needed to pick a direction and go with it, but it looks like it's about to break bearish. So I think we might start to have a bearish market. Let's see. So I'm essentially waiting for confirmation on that. This first presented, it's not really respecting it at all today. So that's great. Just tapped into VWAP. Let's see if it bounces properly off of it. It's just, it's too wiki out here today. Wiki. Sorry. But yeah, Mr. Bale, I am actually in the green for today. I did have a trade during the London session. Was a nice win. OTT is going to yell at me. I did not put the correct amount of contracts in, so I'm not up as much as I should be. But I'm up. I feel like I'm trading a funded. What? That's crazy. I hate that we're chopping so bad. No, honestly, Thomas, but like, does anyone know? Actually, never mind. I was gonna ask a dumb question. I was gonna say, why are we chopping like this? But yes, anyways. Pretty bad. Pointless crying about it though. We're all at the mercy of these freaking props. True. Thanks, Jude. You are welcome. Jude, how long have you been trading for? Or just the drawdown? I am Confusion. What up, Confusion? I'm Maya. Sorry. Just kidding. We are fast friends, me and Confusion. Moving on. Here we go. Okay. I think this might start to break below. Had a little bit of a change of character here. Let's see. Sorry, I was just looking at this now. Wouldn't have tagged me in yet. Would I want to be tagged in by this? Probably not, but let's wait for confirmation for some sells. And here I was being so confident that we were going to potentially see some buy-side action happening. Maybe not. Bushmack, do I have an older brother? No. Why? I'm only $75. I'm unable to trade in big sizes as I'm a trend trader. Mr. Bell, that's interesting. What? That's super interesting. Okay, and... But you're profitable, right, Mr. Bale? Actually, genuine price action. So is this normal? Is this normal for Jan, or not really? Sorry, you know, obviously I've never traded Jan before. So is price action normally a little bit meh during Jan? There was someone actually this morning that said wait to trade until Feb. Because Feb will... Okay, bye Perry. Feb is when it will start picking up. It's doing choppy chop because it's... Well, you know, I think it's choppy chop because it's doing January. But anyways. No, so I got 250k vols. I can small than 500. Was I can small than 50k. Huh. I almost thought you said you never traded. I don't know, there was a chop. Yeah, 100%. I mean, listen, there's a chart for, what is it, soybeans, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was... Oh my gosh, how funny would that be if there was a market for jam trades? I would sit there going, pump up the jam, pump it up if it started to go bullish. Okay.
Nice.
Wow, I'm going crazy today. Okay, maybe we need to just go back a notch or two, but anyways. I traded coup too. Are you serious? Solly, why are you judging me? Solly is judging hard. Wait, did you actually trade coup today? Last month was a loss at 800, now some recovery and reduced to minus 200. Not bad. Since this is very volatile, so I look in for big trends, so size down for 1, 2. Okay. Interesting. Anyways, might have just $400 for that. I did. Don't judge me. I think I'm funny. I thought it was funny. Anyways, Solly did not think it was funny. I would totally go and trade jam just to be there, and when it's a bullish market, just be like, oh, I think you guys would agree with that. There we go. Sketch. Exactly. Hey, look at this work out. Huh. Well, maybe. Maybe. Let's not get hopes and dreams up right now. So I'm just making them a little bit brighter because it's in the midst of all of the chaos that is all of these boxes. Oh, shoot. Doesn't help if I then go and do that. Wow. Wow. Just wow for this price action. On the 24-hour stream, sing that song while eating the noodles. I'm an evil genius. See, I don't know. I might get copyrighted if I do that. I might get in trouble with YouTube. We don't want to do that. Make the market so I don't get time to trade in US. Oh, interesting. Okay, I mean that does kind of make sense. Top one trader will do a payout. And like $12. Huh. Interesting. I surprise myself sometimes. Honestly, Jordy, I hear you. I hear you. Don't worry. You surprise me every day.
That's what she said.
Sorry. I'm having way too much fun with these memes. And like, part of me wants to find more, but I'm like, no. It's chaotic enough already. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Okay, going back into VWAP. Like I said, this. Oh my gosh, this price action. Okay. This is making me want to have some adult grape juice. Like, honestly, what is this? 15 plus fair value gap. NYM? You think this is gonna start going up? Thank you. Got them during like Black Friday and some Christmas specials. Just didn't bother trading them. I was trying to get a payout on Finder next. Your boy Sam, what's up? Come here. If it breaks below 2 and some downtrend possibly, but it's ranging now. Yep, it's that. I know. We got the man himself here. The man himself has arrived. I know. I know that you guys only come to see him, so here he is. I know. Good boy. You get a sweetie because you're so cute. Good idea. Thanks, man. Yeah, 100%. No, not sit. I mean, you can jump. Okay, no, actually, maybe I shouldn't teach you how to jump up. Omzi, you want my dog? Try take him. I will fight you. I'm not a fighter, but I will fight you. Bless the charts and get us out of this rain. Well, Solly, let's see. We may have dropped back down now. Hey ho, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you know what would have sucked? It would have gone down to 1-to-1. I would have mitigated my risk by half. It would have come and taken me out before going down to feed the duck. Damn, that would have sucked. Oh, thank you. Thanks. I grew it myself. No? Okay. I'm sorry, the really, really lame jokes are coming out today. You guys are gonna have to just bear with me. His name is Perry. If Sandboy, have you ever seen Little Man Know What's That? It's not what? They don't. That he didn't actually was signature. Oh, what props? Yes, your boy Sam. So I'm trading with top 1 futures currently. That's the only one I'm trading with at the moment. just because for anyone that is new, what up? How goes it? Anyone that is new, this is for you guys. Last one, then I'll stop being super annoying.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Anyways, welcome to anyone that is new. I am actually a fairly new trader. I've nearly been trading a year. April will be a year of me trading, which is super exciting. To be specific, I think if I'm not mistaken, April the 14th will be exactly a year of me trading. So yeah, it's been a journey and a half. I think that's all I can say about this. Damn, it's been a journey and a half. It has been very, very entertaining. I have absolutely loved it. Wow, the amount that you learn doing this is so cool. Oh, thanks. Your boy Sam. Sorry, I don't know why I want to keep saying your Sam boy. I haven't. OTT, what is it? What is little man? Is it sad? Ooh, okay. The 15-minute plus fair value gap should give support to form a 4-hour bullish candle. Okay, so what? NYM? Oh, well, here we go. Damn. If you're gonna go. Come on. If you're gonna do this properly. Let's go. Let's start getting some movement going. Hey, Miguel, what's up? How's it going? Nah. Do the swing trade thing. Harry did his thing. Yes, he did. Harry came here and blessed the charts. Shout out to Perry. He's the bestest. Oh, wait, OTT, you've been looking at Bitcoin? What? What's made you look at Bitcoin? Oh, sorry, my nose is so itchy. Anyways, moving on. These ranges are huge. I don't know what you're talking about. These are so chill. These are amazing. This really hurts. Oh well. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Retested the 5-minute. I wanted to start breaking up properly. This could be where it starts to go to Asia high now. Okay, don't get impatient. Don't get impatient. Don't get impatient. So I'm just gonna block out all the noise for a second. What does it look like on the 5 minutes? So failed to higher, failed to go higher. We just tapped into there. Awesome. 15-minute. Okay. 1 hour. Whoa, okay, yeah, hell yeah. Here we go. 438 is a good level. And let's quickly check the 4 hour. Okay. Let's do this thing. Back to the 1 minute. Sorry, then all the noise is gonna, you know, flash warning. There we go. Still struggling to break above. Come on, break out of this range. This is enough now. Initial fair value gap may offer support. Oh, NYM. Like, brother bear, let's get out of this, please. Swing trade and it. Cryptos, I'll just risk one of the accounts. Who knows? Maybe I do decent. Compare it to what they file like London low. Yes, ma'am. I'm doing my best Maya impression, going in along with 2 micros. Do it, do it, do it. Are you really? Like, ranging. Looks like I may have to close myself. No, Mr. Bale, no! I'm sorry. 394 is my target. Let me paper trade this thing. Gotta scratch the itch. What's at 394? Oh, there's a little bit of an order block there. Got it, got it, got it. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, I think it's just gonna start running away now. I've been dabbling with the idea of maybe like when I see a decent setup like here for a long marketing in for a buy, like if it retaps this level and it's about to go like it is now. Am I brave enough to do it yet? Not quite, but let's see. Damn, this is really quite a big resistance zone as well. It keeps tapping into this. I call it a shelf. I know that's probably not correct. There's a shelf and this fair value gap at it. It's still respecting. Do we think it's going to be able to break up above it? Nope. Okay, I think we all got excited and now it's going like anyways. Douglas, is that what it is? Because this is fun. I just realized we've been chopping back and forth from 2 1 hour for value gaps. Oh damn. Seriously, the whole time we've just been going one for value gap, other, one, other, boom, 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 boom. That's great. That's so much fun. Here we go. Driving the ranging. Gold is gold is ranging. Damn. Okay, then you know when gold starts to range, then you know it's proper. Okay, wait. ES is now moving. Is anyone trading ES? Damn. ES is going proper. Here we go. So with this, like I said, cheeky squirrel brain wanted to look at this. Let's see if it would have been a win. There's no confluences. There's absolutely nothing here. I guess you could say the bob level is one confluence. That was it. I just liked how it looked. So that's why I definitely did not take it. I'm doing this kind of out of quote-unquote curiosity. You could argue that this is a bit of a shelf, so I guess there's 2 confluences, but that's like, I would call this a C setup at best. Like at best. A C setup, which is not what you want, right? You want A+ setups only, and you want them to be amazing. Again, is anyone in what might be tagged today? No ways, OTT, you think so, but it's so high up. Hey the tutor, I wish I was AI generated. I'm pretty sure I would, I don't know, have a little bit more going. Do you know what we have to do? It worked last time we did it. I think we have to spam that like button again. Everyone, spam that little heart button. Last time we did that, we got some movement. I think that's I'm gonna start doing that. Let's spam it. Spam. Let's go. If it works, cool, I'm spamming it. Noise. Stop playing, pull the hammer out. You think so? It's hammer time! Stop! Hammer time, we're gonna boing it back up. Thank heavens David's not here. He would just be having the best time of his life hearing that. Anyways, should we boing it back up or should we blow it back up? Yes, I'm a...
That's what she said.
I'm sorry. Had to. Hey, Amir Trading, what's up? What's my bias? I'm bullish for now. Yeah, my bias right now is bullish. Especially if I start donking this, maybe it'll work. You see, it's the big hammer. Go, 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 go. Boink, boink, boink. Go, 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 go. No, come on, go. Hey! It's working! Stop! Hammer time! Ayo! 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 No, didn't work. Boink, 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 go up. Boink, 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 boink. OTT can tell you for a fact that it worked. Oh, good grief. Yeah, Sketch. It needs a little bit of motivation. Boink, 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 boink. OTT can tell you for a fact that it works. Hey! See, this would have been a winning trade. It was a C setup though. At best. Like that's almost pushing it, but that was like a C setup. This would be quite good, but again. Yo. 35 points. Yo. Damn. Hey, Michael. I mean, Enrock is like not that far though, and Asia High sharing it. No, that's true, OTT. It works for— judge me all you want, but do we not have a little bit— okay. Break past this resistance and then I can talk, but I can't talk yet before it breaks past. Come on. Break now. It's time to break. That doesn't sound right. I know, but I mean, what else do you call it? What would you call this? Hello. Where did it go? Where's the emoji? What just happened? Where is it? Oh my goodness. That scared the living daylights out of me. What would you call this? Good grief. I don't know why it scared me, but it scared me. But anyways, we're moving on. Okay, let's do this. Decent entry. Decent stop. It's just huge. It's just— what a big, huge range. Actually, don't hate this. 20 points. And 5 specifically for the reason that you want to risk less than is presented there. Wait, that actually being said. One, two, three, we have these shelves. Oh, damn, entry actually would have been better a little bit higher up over there. That's fine. This is low-key now going to run away without me, isn't it? It works at TP with my— there we go. Oh goodness, it took 20 minis on my paper account. It's fake, but still scary. Damn, yeah, Geordie, 100%. Oh geez, Geordie, 20. I don't do that on daily on paper. Yeah. That was indeed taken. That was also taken. Cool. And see, like in this situation where I was pretty confident in the buy, right? In my suspicion on the buy. If I had marketed in, I would be sitting at quite a decent point right now. Damn, when did the subscribers reach 630? What the heck? I mean, whoop whoop, and shout out to everyone, but whoa. Cool. Okay then, calm down. So if it was there, huh. Let's see if I just went hands off, I left alone. Yeah, this isn't an anything. So it's like a B setup. There's like 2 confluences where you want at least 3. Would have been a B setup. Got little order blocks here, got the wicks, got the shelf. Let's see if this would have been a stop loss. Or a win. Naturally, because I didn't take it. Of course. Of course. Just because I didn't take it, tapped into the fair value gap on ES. Cool, 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 cool. It's really respecting ES nicely today. Damn. Respecting this price action properly. Here we go, here we go. Nope, maybe not. We're gonna have to start bringing the hammer out again. I will bring it out again. To be fair, it could potentially work amazing on ES. It just doesn't have micros. Maybe when I'm big, I'll be able to trade on ES. Be brave. Be brave. Be buying a strings by now if it wasn't real life. Yes, please. What the heck? Baron of Foxhole, what's up? You don't. Why not? The market's being so much fun today. Yep, okay, here it goes. Huh, okay, that being said, they're tapped into my shelves. Okay, just leave me with my shelves. It's created such a massive fair value gap on ES. I kind of expect it to retest properly. Or not. Let's see. Joy of travel, do it. I know, it's the same exact. Oh, damn! Okay. Hey, Banner Fox, how's it going? I'm gonna start a course teaching how to withdraw timber profits. Coming soon. There we go. Do it. Why not? Okay, so what I've noticed on days where it's choppy, don't move stop loss. I mean, obviously I'm not in this trade, but yeah. On days where it's choppy, don't move stop loss. So it might be going in your direction still, but it just wants to have a moment first. If I'd use this full range. Oh, no, it missed me by a chick. Oh my goodness. That would have hurt my feelings. I mean, we're struggling to break above. Hey, Abraham, what's up? How's it going? I'm in a long and it needs help. Oh, Joy of Travel, are you thinking it's hammer time? Is that what you're saying? Is it hammer time? I know a few people are in a long now, actually. These moments you do have to give her some breath. No, honestly. Especially when the markets are like today. You gotta be like, it's okay, we've got this. NQ be a diva. Lack of a better word, NQ just be a diva. Come on, come on, come on. It looks like it's dropping again on ES. This might be the retest. This might be the retest now. Yeah, ES is dropping slightly. Okay, I don't love how different ES and NQ are today, but it's fine. It might range here, but if we pump through, it's go time. Nice, Jordy. Here we go. This might be the pump through that everyone was waiting for. Pump it up. Pump up the jam. Sorry, now that's gonna be the thing. You can't judge me. Okay, so maybe I was indeed then correct. Would have gone break even there because it would have fed the duck, if you will. Let's see what this does. Okay, seriously, because price action has been decent. Well, okay, not this right now, but these last 2 days. Can someone just start yelling Nike at me again, please? Because they're that... Okay, wait, no. Again, if I had moved my stop loss, it would not have been a win. The pump song. Heck yeah, it has to be. You've been jammed for the rest of the day. Ah, Sketch, I love that. That is amazing. Last 10 candles should be spanked. Illegal moves. Hi, how's it going? Welcome to the chaos. Hello, chaos, my old friend. There we go. Jordy, whoop whoop. What? I yell up at my... No, but you need to yell louder, like all caps. Because then you're yelling proper, and then I scared. And then I will listen. Okay, this just tapped into Bob level. AOTT. I'm up 16k on paper. No ways, Jordy. Amazing. Well done. This wick is terrifying. Why? Oh my gosh. Anyways, no, my team Marcus got stopped in profit. They was cooking. No! I mean, still whoop whoop. What the heck, man? Why are you complaining about that? Here we go. For anyone that's had a win, massive whoop whoop to you guys. That is amazing. Super proud of you. Whoop whoop. Don't be a degen, don't be a degen. Sorry, FOMO is kind of taking over. I wanted to literally mark it in for a buy now, but it's just tapped into an order block. It's just hit Bob level. This could be a massive mistake. Also, I don't have any on my confluences, so... And that massive wick is not okay. Anyways. This is how I feel right now. How annoying. Okay, this could still go. This could still go. Bob level to Bob level, literally tapped in there. Okay, wanting to go a little bit higher. I see that. Cool, 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 cool. Where are you going? I've got some rigid. I'm like 25% living the dream. Of course, everybody's dream account amount, any amount, account, no rules. Huh. Nope, it's not okay. Joy of travel, yep. Oh, man. Like I said, the degen part of me wants to just mark it in here. But I know it's not gonna work out for me. So, hands off. Leave it alone for now. Not worth it. Don't touch. Jordy, did it get that itch or now do you feel like yucky for not taking a proper trade? But focus for everything! Yeah, that's valid, Jordy. Well, think it is a bad... Why? Joy of travel, what happened? Did you get taken out? No! What happened? How'd you get taken out? I'm so sorry. I'm shorting back down to the other side with 2 micros. Let's avoid joy of travel. I'm so sorry. Wait, Solly, you going back down to where? To the other side? What do you mean the other side? The other side of what? The range? Like this full range? Now it's taken out London High. Asia High is there. Here's this damn NWOG. Here's the full range. Shorting it to this 50% is maybe not a bad idea. But at least there. Oh no. See, okay. Okay, hear me out, guys. I have a genuine... Oh no, I wanted to short. Give me a second. So I'm trying to awkwardly get into my chair because Perry's sitting right behind the chair and he won't move. So anyways, it just randomly started pouring down outside. I thought I was hearing things. That's why I had to go check, but it's like pouring down right now. Anyways, moving on. Why am I as NWOG so small? What do you mean it's so small? I'm sorry, what? OTT, what do you mean my NWOG's so small? My NWOG's huge. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Is this going Bob level again? Yeah, it was like trying to cook coffee. It tastes like coffee, but it isn't coffee, you know what I mean? Micros are cooking today, die, Solly. What happened to the news? High life? Not much happened. Yeah, not gonna lie. I mean, it continued down, and then there was this massive FU candle over there, but otherwise that's it. Hey Reed, learning, what's up? I'm gonna be patient, wait for the 10:50, 11:10 macro. Mark the close of Friday and open. It should be much. I did. Okay, just wait for it to load. There is the close. Literally. Do you want like a little bit up to the tick? But yeah, there's the close and whoop. I mean, this could maybe go down. There we go. Making sure everyone's happy. Ta-da! You happy now? How's that? Better? Okay, let's see how it reacts at the 0.5 level. Tap back in. freaking bob level to bob level, people. It's ridiculous. MNQ, that's why. Valid. There we go. Happy now? I even zoomed in to make sure. Gotta make sure y'all are happy. Don't get upset with me. Good grief. Watching what's happening on ES. Holy smokes. They would have been the entry for the 0.5 level. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I'm just wanting to be such a degen today. Like, I wanted to press buy. Would have been a win. Where was it? Here, I wanted to press sell. Would have been going pretty well. I know that's not good though. I must not do that. Oh, that's what I wanted to ask. Do you guys think there should be like a day in the week? Maybe it's a bad idea, but hear me out. A day in the week where I just have a bit of a degen day. Like, just only stick to one micro on these where I'm like, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a buy or sell or whatever. I just mark it in. Have a bit of a degen day. What do you guys think? Could be risky. Could work out quite well. OGT, that was rude! Not big of a difference of the inlog is correct. Thank you, Jordy. I mean, first candle open and drop 20 points. Thank you. No, doing bad habits even once a week soon will be consistent. Okay. I'll listen to you guys. You guys know best. I won't do that. Huh. Here was my entry. Tapped back into... I just missed the 9:30 a.m. Tapped into the shelves and a little bit of an order block on ES. Do we think this is going to continue out to the buy side or the sell side now? Solly, you still in your short, hey? NYM, try one day with less talking and more focus. Nah! Not on the same account you use for discipline. Get another account for degenning. Oh! Now that's a good idea. Ooh! Damn it. It's taken in Lizzie, I favor longs. Okay. Read learning. So yeah, basically this full range looks like it would have been good. Degen account, pass or fail, 3 trades max. And play. I'm gonna get it for funsies. Took 1 off, add 3 to 950% of daily work. Captain Discipline here, playing Aviator in his free time. Yeah, guys. So, for the full range, this would have been my entry at the 0.5 level. Would have been a goodie. It was too large for me to take a trade. I mean, I could have maybe taken 1 contract. Because this range is so large, maybe partial at the fair value gap rather instead of all the way up there. Ah, NYM, you see, that's half of the point of also streaming. You gotta multitask. Multitasking is part of it. It also low-key helps keep my brain focused. Believe it or not, the talking helps me focus. I know that sounds weird, but I have my rules, and especially on price action days like these, I can't unfortunately do much. Like I said, I liked this one. That was like not even a B setup. That was like a C setup. This one, that one was a B setup. I haven't had an A+ setup, except for potentially this, but it seems very risky now. Being Master Shifu is tiring. Wow, what happened to Boom? Boom was here this morning, right, Sully? Yeah, Boom popped in this morning. He said hi. What's up, Bean? Oh, okay. How's it going? How's it going? Good, sir? Okay. Do you want to say hi? Okay, come say hi. Sorry, I nearly squished your toes. Come on. I'll give you a sweetie. Gotta bribe my dog to come say hi to you guys. And back down we go. I think we're gonna tap back into the first presented fair value gap again before potential continuation to the buy side. Hello. It's about to tap back into the first presented. 930 range was there. And like I said, this theoretically would have been an A+ setup, but the range is just too big. It's more than I'm willing to risk. So I couldn't take it. Maybe it's for the best because this now looks like it's going down, but let's see. Okay. It's a decent rejection so far off the... Nope, I'm speaking way too soon. Let me... Shut up, Maya. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Nope. Maybe I need to bring the hammer back out. Hello. Hi, D. What's up? And then if fair value offered support, as I stated, I also said the initial fair value gap may offer support. Now let's see if it does. Yeah. So that's what I was talking about with the first presented. But again, this isn't quite rejecting how I would have wanted it to. Sorry, I have hiccups. Let's see though. I would have preferred to see a bit of a faster ejection off of the first presented. There we go, a little bit like that. That was better. Took out some internal liquidity, little tap into the first presented fair value gap. And this big fair value gap here. Also a bonus. No, come on. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Nah. It's just me or Maya. Yeah! Sorry. I feel like that the fireworks were acceptable in that moment. Just saying. Fireworks are very much acceptable.
Nice.
Oh, TT. D, what's up? How goes it? You guys are too freaking funny. Here we go. There's that nice rejection of the first presented. That's what you want to see. NYM, is that what you're waiting for? Would have gone long and placed my stop loss at the low of... I wanted to go long here, but my stop loss would be here. Yeah. I want to take a real trade, my brain is all brained out today. I hear you. I hear you. Oh, man. I'm a little bit sad now, but it's fine. Tap nicely into there. Might reject off of this fair value gap. In which case this potentially might be valid now. That fair value gap, potentially that order block. Oh, no. It's just running away. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. This range works really nicely though. In YM, you stacked up positions. Nice, Mercury's. Oh, whatever they say. Yeah, Sully, that makes sense. It was really good. I mean, check at that. Like a perfect tap into that first presented. I questioned it a little bit there. I really did. These first two candles, I was like, okay. Now it's just running away. Look, I mean, for funsies, check Bob level to freaking Bob level again. Just saying. Just saying. As I said, I'm looking for 450. That's a solid one. British, I'm good on you. Deshaun, hi. Okay, nice to know that the full range would have worked. Chef's kiss. Well, actually, to be fair, that first presented would have worked freaking chef's kiss, but anyways. If you retrace a little bit, a little bit, apparently. Never mind, that's not quite a little bit. That's quite a large retracement, but anyways. Shoot. Took out internal, now he needs potentially some external, but it hasn't quite hit it. It has hit that resistance level though. An impulsive day, yes, Matt. Also, hi, what's up? Mine, no need to be sad. Timing is key. Knowing when the runs will take place allows you to anticipate the direction at every top of the hour, 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after. Interesting, okay. So I've heard this 10 minute before and 10 minute after situation before. It was actually Geordie that mentioned it. I do and don't see it. I see this huge push a minute before. Let's see what happens at 10 past. Like, nothing hectic happened at 10:02. Wasn't crazy yet. Okay, I have my 3. I want to risk less than I've gotten today. Okay. I have it there. I know it's less than I normally should do it, but it is purely because of the fact that I want to risk less than I've already received today so that I still end in the green. Let's see. You zigged when you should have zagged. Caution bag. I love it. Yes, weaker than NQ right now. It's solid. Yeah, just a tad bit. Let's see. Was the start of grabbing the low, then went higher inside of the 20-minute window. Interesting. Okay, okay, okay. It seems like a double top. Matt, you think it's going to be a double top? Yes, looks like it's going further down. I regret not taking it, but being above the daily EQ, not liking that. Huh. OTT, you taking a short, eh? I had my 3 confluences, leave it alone. No, baby, don't. No, Uncle Ron! I was like, hi, Uncle Ron, what's up? Bitch, you're still long? Ugh, I may regret taking this, but let's see. Let's see. Like I said, I've made it so that if this is a win or a lose. Excuse me? Excuse me? Did that just miss me by a tick? Oh! The absolute audacity. Hey, Daddy Stocks, what up? I'm gonna get stopped up, man. I love my faults. This would have been considered A+. What? What? The actual frick frack snick snack. Bro, no. Why did you do that to me? Why? Come back to my entry point, it won't come back up. I mean, Matt, why do you say that? And to be fair, weirder things have happened. Sammy, what song is playing in the background? It is indeed in the description below if you want to go check it out. Maybe I should have taken this like, OTT again with the shoulda, woulda, coulda. You know that way too well from me. Shoulda, woulda, coulda is a very real thing. How rude. Just saying, what the heck, man? Oh, where's Geordie? Geordie, you still here? Uncle Ron Comedy, how's it been going? Oh, for anyone that is new, BT dubs, there is a Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, just put a little hand up or whatever you want to do, and I'll pop the link there. And then you guys are more than welcome to join. It's like 150 of us in there. We have fun. It's a bit weird sometimes, but we have fun. Daddy Stock, you put a lot of work on stocks? Yeah. OTT, you're asking me on Geordie. I've lately been using daily EQ, so if we're below it and belongs, I'd prefer that, but I know others use midnight open instead. Martin, that's weird. Why? Hey Lemon, what's up? How goes it? How goes it? Volume low-key looks like it's drying up now. Man. Actually, this kind of looks like it's bull flagging. Again, I'm not great at seeing bull and bear flags, so don't take my word for that. I can't believe that happened. Anyways, Amino lost some momentum unless there's going to be a liquidity sweep at the low that retraced. I mean, you say that, Matt, but I mean, it was literally a tick away. Okay, maybe 2 ticks. 2 ticks away from my entry. And there I would have been in a safe trade. So rude. So rude. There would have been a winning trade. I can't believe that missed me by 2 ticks. And this larger one would have taken first TP now. Who's salty? I am! I'm salty right now. Entry would be better a little bit higher. Don't quite like where the entry is for this. I'm trying so hard not to chase, but I'm so grumpy right now. I'm heated for not trusting my model. Thomas, I'm heated that it missed me by a tick. And that this range was too big for me to take it. And there's more, but it's fine. What a frustrating day so far. Listen up on the entry model. There's a key level at 361. Use the GAN box to frame out the trade and then look around your entry exit and see if there's something close by that will edge you. Interesting, Solly. Actually, that's a good idea. Huh. Jam sketch. Oh, I love it. Add order 318 and cancel it. No. I'm so sorry. You need to place your limits at the base of the candle, not in the range of the wick. Sketch. Yeah. Had some debates about that one. Yeah, had some debates about that. Are you talking about this one in particular? Because there's been instances where that, for lack of a better word, has absolutely screwed me. Because right now I didn't take the long on ES because the way above daily EQ, but still midnight open is that one. Interesting. If only I was in front of my laptop. Oh, Reed, I'm so sorry. I'm so, Reed, are you from South Africa? Welcome, fellow South African. What's up? Oh. Frick frack snick snack. Excuse my profanity. I now haven't taken this because it's not an A+ setup. Just an FYI. That's where I had it originally. I was just checking out with regards to the base. Interesting, I need to backtest that as well. If I don't use the wicks, I use the base. I had this discussion with Witcher the one day though, with regards to using the base instead of the wicks. Yeah. Like I said, it was an interesting discussion. Really need to teach you, show you some tricks. Go on, sketch, show me some tricks. Range at 10.05 to 10.20 lower. I was hunting the first shallow tap liquidity at 318 and just canceled because it seemed like it might one sell side. Oh, Thomas, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. They're normal here though, but if anyone can pull it off. Yeah. So there would have been entry for this. Oh my gosh, did I make a mistake for not taking this? Nope, maybe not. Sorry, my brain's kind of on overload because I low-key wanted to take this, but then I felt like I was chasing. What's happening? Anyways, it's so funny that I kind of got like an email from Top One Future saying, stop chasing the whole move. Rude. I'll do what I want. I mean, I'm not complaining I set up, it just got me wondering. Both ES and NQ was above daily EQ and below midnight open. Honestly, should have taken, but wasn't bad trade, but Away from stop loss. Oh, damn! OTT? But I mean, it's still worked in your favor. I'm actually holding my breath a little bit. I don't know why. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a proper retracement here. There we go. So like that. 50% of this range. Because that range was not taken. I need to remember that. If that range has not been taken, it still doesn't count. Oh, I could be talking rubbish and watch this go up now. Sorry, I'm having like debates going on in my brain right now. Oh, so many debates. How did I have this one? This one was so. Okay, so to give you an idea, everyone's saying why don't you use the base? Would have hit stop loss. Wicks would have been entered in now. I mean, this could be headed for stop loss. Stop loss is right by the 50% of the full range of this monster that's happening right now. Hasn't broken above the highs on ES either, but NQ is strong. I'm sorry, I'm kind of talking myself through this. I'm sorry, you guys have to be witness to me talking myself through this. I just journal to see how often it happens. Andrew said if still has to form, I get you the back tested from what I found midnight price settlement price 839.30 equals king. Hey Drew man, what's up? How goes it? How goes it? Yeah, how you doing, Drewman? Hey, Shani, what's up? Hope you all are doing amazing. Matt, you would enter now what for a long? I wouldn't want it to revisit the... No, I agree with you. If it revisits the first presented gap again, not ideal. Then I think it's going to break through. So 371 would be potential entry. Okay, so this one's not looking great. I need to remember that full range is key. Don't chase, right? No chasing. Brother Bean, can we decide which way we're going? All good, thanks. You contemplating this Bitcoin short? Ooh, what's Biddy looking like, Drewman? Sorry, I obviously don't really look at Bitcoin that often, so I get my tabs from you and some guy. He keeps me posted on Discord. Yeah. Speaking of, if anyone wants to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. Here you go. Yeah, right? Break even was hit. No, OTT! Wait, didn't it? I thought you said it hit your TP, right? I'm confused. Yeah, no, exactly. So, yeah, what's Bitcoin looking like? Is it good, bad, amazing, ugly? It got really close. No ways! OTT, that sucks. I'm so sorry. Sorry, can you see I'm having like a little bit of a war in my brain right now about this one. 34 points. Even 2 might be too many. I don't love that doji, but Asia High is right there. It's literally being so rude. It is lunch now. Do you think the volume is going to dry up? Nope. Where was this one? Let's see if this would have taken me out. Would have been damn near close to taking me out. What the heck, man? I would have given up around here. Been like, yeah. It's gonna just take me out. Would like it to take out the liquidity on the first of Jan, then wake up to smash the short. Would be. Was that English that I was just speaking? Didn't sound like English, but anyways. I would hold on longs until lunchtime. This was live, I would have taken a partial, but this was just paper. Just a good tip read. No, that's valid. Valid. Last exam had an hour less than I thought I did. That's my bad, but really annoying. Oh no, Lux, I'm so sorry, but how was the exam? Was it good? I need to watch it for a while to get familiar. Yeah, 100% Drew, man. Listen, NQ's a diva. NQ is a diva. Lots of fun. Makes you question your life quite often, but I'm sure that's just any and all markets. I feel like this is playing. This is just playing right now. English. Yes, that's 100. That's spot on. That is literally spot on for how I feel right now. English is depleted. Okay. No trades during lunch. Resume 1:30. Valid. Okay, just sorry. That was too good. That was too good. I have to do this.
Nice.
Oh, that was amazing. Okay, I'm gonna be hands off because purely for the fact that I feel like I'm chasing, and this is a little bit of fear of missing out that's happening, which is not good. Can't allow that to mess with discipline. Even though, like I said, I can't believe that missed me. This would have been such a nice full TP. I had it set and everything, missed me by 2 ticks. That was very rude, but it's fine. This will drop not far, but it'll run something. Okay, so there would have been the 0.5 entry. Yeah, why does this look like this is going back? Properly. Damn, there's that theory of entering back. Whoa! Hello! Tapping into fair value gap on both ES and NQ. You would expect it to maybe start rejecting here. If not, if this goes to stop loss, I think this might start to be a sell market. Damn, that would have sucked. Can I just say bob level to bob level again? Just saying. I don't even think I'll be looking for longs anymore. Violin stopped out fine, didn't lose money, but remind myself I'm human after a win streak. No, exactly, Matt. You know, things happen. Oh, luck, sorry, what was your response? It was game theory, which further maths combined with economics are very difficult, but I think I handled well. Time loss only cost me 10 out of 100 marks, so... Lux, this sounds very complicated. What the heck, man? It's gonna seek first presented again. We're not bullish just yet. If it seeks it again, you don't think it will... Oh, damn, yeah, I would have been taken out. You don't think it's gonna just start mitigating it? You really think it's gonna seek it one last time and then move bullish? Like, this now looks like quite a nice short. Just saying. This is quite a juicy short. Back down to first presented. Hey Wade, what's up? Well, I'm green for the day, so that's good. Just tapped into the fair value gap on both ES and NQ. Let's see what this brings. Except the short here actually doesn't look terrible, but this is very much a bull day. Hey Gok, what's up? Should we call it a night? High life? I think so. I think so, because I feel like I'm wanting to just FOMO into these trades. Let's see if this would have worked. I would have looked for a sell here. Okay. Back up too much or just rock it up. It would take something fundamental, news, earning, etc. Oh no, you started working out again? I'm so sorry. I might get high life, that's the thing. I'm like, I could just mark it in for a sell here. It looks quite nice. I really want to, but I know it's probably a bad idea and I shouldn't do it. Just one contract, just one itty-bitty contract. One itty-bitty contract? No, don't do it. Got lost from yesterday and didn't trade today. Oh no, high life, I'm sorry. 368 short. Well, that's what I was potentially looking for, but this looks like it would indeed have screwed me. Okay, no, I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Don't touch the butt. Yeah. Yeah, I know, that's why Okay, no, I'm calling it because I can tell you I'm gonna do something really dumb and I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna mess up being in the green. Let's not ruin that. I did that yesterday. I was up like $200 and then I was only up $2. I was still green, so I'm gonna go with it, but still. Okay, no. I'm calling it then. There. Again, as always, you guys were amazing. Thank you for joining me. Again, this is going bob level to bob level. B to B. Okay, sorry, I'll stop. You guys were amazing. I'll be back. London and New York session. Let's do this. Day 3. We've got this. We've got this. We've got this. Again, you guys are amazing as always. See you tomorrow. I love you guys badly. Bye.